Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Yasmin. Today, I'm about to share with you 5 books that can truly change your mindset, career, and life. But here's a twist. My personal favorite book is on the last one on this list, and I promise it's the one you don't miss this because I have read it several times and I always find something new that inspire me. So stick around because these books are not just entertaining, they are powerful lessons that you can actually apply in your life. Whether you want to be more productive, improve relationships, understand human nature, or grow financially, these books have something for everyone. So let's dive in. Our first book is The Seven Husbands by Taylor Jenkins Reid. Well, this is the first book I purchased it from online because I really wanted to build a habit of reading because we all know reading is playing a vital role in our English journey. If we read it, we will learn vocabulary through readings. So that's why I always prefer you to start reading every single day whenever you have time to read. And this is the first book. I'm going to tell you what exactly in it. I'm not going to spoil it what have all those books, but I'm just going to tell you briefly. So though it's a fiction, this story is masterpiece in ambition, love, and human complicity. Evelyn Hughes' life teaches lesson about choices, consequences, and authenticity. Even it's a novel, but the lessons are practical for life and relationships. So I hope you will love it after you read these books. So let's move on our next book. Do Epic Shit by Ankur Warikoo. This book all about bold steps in our life, breaking our comfort zone and doing things that matters. Each chapter gives you actionable advice from personal experience, failure and lessons learned. This book isn't just theory, it motivates you to start doing things today, not tomorrow. Next is The Mayor of Casterbridge by Thomas Hardy. Well, this classic dives deep into human nature, faith, and moral choices. You will see how the decisions we make today can impact our lives forever. I had to read it because it is one of my syllabus, so that's why I had to, and I felt like I really wanted to share this with you. And Hardy's storytelling also teaches us to understand human psychology for every action. Let's move on our next book. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Well, I haven't finished this book yet, but I really wanted to share this with you because I'm in the 4th chapter and I felt like this is a timeless book about wealth, mindset, and success principles. Every chapter teaches strategies used by some of the world's most successful people. This book is a must read if you want to turn your dreams into actionable plans. So let's move on our final book, and this is one of my favorite books that I have read it multiple times, and every time I find something new that inspire me. This one, Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma. This is a guide to living a meaningful life. It's packed with life lessons that make you pause and reflect. Reading this book reminds us life is about impact, not just success. So, there you have it. 5 books that can truly change the way you think and live. Remember, reading is not just about finishing a book, it is about learning, reflecting, and applying those lessons in your life. And I hope you enjoy this list. And if you, then hit the like button and subscribe and comment below which book you are picking up first. Until next time, read, learn, and take epic actions in your life.